Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. I hope you guys are keeping dry today. As you guys probably already know, there's a flash flood warning for low-lying and flood-prone areas for most parishes. And this will be effective until 5 a.m. tomorrow morning, which is Tuesday. As much as possible, guys, please avoid Clarendon, because sections of Clarendon are feeling the effects of Tropical Storm Ian, and I think it has upgraded now to a hurricane, so it's Hurricane Ian. And some of the areas are heavily flooded, areas such as Manchester Avenue, Glenmuir Avenue, and some roads in Maypen, and they're impassable. So if you're going that side, please avoid those areas. So I have some video footage for you guys to watch. Please watch it and let me know what you think about the state of the country in the comment section below. Because these politicians claim that they clean drains, and even though they clean these drains and spend millions of dollars on drain cleaning, every time little rain fall, there's a flooding.
Whoa, go through my boss. Run. Road up a station right in a lick here. You don't know, so look how down goes on. Yeah. Sit there. Up so. Rain. Up a station. Down so. That's water.
Okay, good morning again, colleagues. Well, at present, the road on Manchester Avenue, coming from Forepath to Maypen, heading towards the stoplight, is now impassable. So for those traveling on this route, heading towards Maypen, please try and take a quick detour and go maybe Jackson Street or so.
Riverbed. Riverbed. See it, riverbed.
Road is flooded, so anybody in your house and you have to pass Glenmore Road, you have to probably just stay indoors until the weather calms down.